In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields in DocuSign. DocuSign is an incredibly useful tool for managing and sending documents that require electronic signatures. Adding fields to your documents is a crucial step that ensures all necessary information is collected before anything is finalized. So, let's dive into the process of adding fields effectively. To kick things off, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the DocuSign homepage. Once you're there, look for the tab labeled Agreements. Clicking here will take you to a section where you can manage your documents. After that, locate the Inbox tab and click on it. This will bring you to another informative page where you can see all your currently pending documents. Next, find the Drafts option and give that a click. This is where you'll see a list of all your draft documents. Choose the specific document you would like to work on and click Continue. This will lead you to your document workspace where you can make all the necessary modifications. Now, it's time to upload the document you're planning to edit by clicking on the Upload button. Alternatively, you can choose to drag the file directly from your desktop, saving you a few clicks. Once your document is uploaded, click on Highlight to easily identify sections that require attention or adjustments, enhancing your workflow experience. Afterwards, you'll want to enter the basic information for your document. Type in the document recipient's name in the designated field. This ensures that when the document reaches someone's inbox, it's addressed correctly. Furthermore, you'll enter the recipient's email address. Accuracy is key here, as this is how your document is routed correctly. Continuing forward, type in a subject for your email. This helps in providing context so that the recipient immediately understands the purpose and urgency of the document. In the message section, craft a concise and clear message for your recipient. This can include instructions or additional notes pertinent to the document. With those fields filled, click Next. Here you'll assign the document to a recipient. Click on Assign To and then select Recipient from your contact list. Once you've chosen the appropriate recipient, confirm your selection. This step ensures that the document is ready for them to review and interact with. Now it's time to add fields to your document. Click on Standard Fields and begin adding each necessary field to your document. These fields might include text boxes, signature lines, dates, and more, depending on what information you need to gather from your recipient. Tailoring these fields to your document's needs creates a seamless process for data collection. And there you have it. Your document is now ready with all the required fields and is set up to be sent to your selected recipient. By following these steps, you ensure that your document is both thorough and efficient and ready to gather all the necessary information through DocuSign.